Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to recreate this BRINGGREEN Bamboo Hyalu Lip Essence because this has been like my go-to lip balm for a while now. I purchased it off of oliveyoung.com. This is a vegan lip balm, and of course mine's not going to be exactly like theirs. I'm just taking inspiration from the ingredients they use to recreate mine. Pretty close, okay? So the main ingredient, it's like the bulk of this formula, is petrolatum, also known as petroleum jelly. And then I'm also going to use this natural alternative to petroleum jelly. I purchased it off of lotioncrafter.com. It's called Biolatum. I will have everything linked down below. And then I'm going to use some polyisobutane. This is from, I don't know if I said that right, but it's from TKB Trading, and I have the liquid version. You can also get it in like a gel version. And then this is one of the key ingredients. It's an oil-soluble hyaluronic acid, and it's called Oleo hyaluronic acid. I got this from Lotion Crafter, and this is similar to the hyaluronic acid that they use in theirs. And then I'm going to use aloe vera extract, which is oil soluble. They use bamboo extract, but you can use whatever oil soluble extract you have. So to bring this all together, you want to make sure you grab a hot plate or use a water bath and heat everything up. All you got to do is just combine the petrolatum, Biolatum, and then the polyisobutane, and just keep these on heat and mix them periodically to help them all combine until it's a liquid, and then you can remove it from heat. So you want to add the Oleo hyaluronic acid while it's still warm. It says to add it in around 70 degrees Celsius because it does need to be warmed a little bit to get it to incorporate. And then I just went ahead and added in the aloe vera extract and mixed that in as well. So if you guys want to recreate this exact product, I have the formula over on my Patreon. So you can sign up for the $5 tier, get that formula along with like hundreds of other formulas I've shared over there. Anyways, in order to get your lip balm into your squeeze tubes, you can use a plastic syringe like I did, or if your container has a pour spout, you can easily just pour that into your squeeze tubes. Let them cool until they're around room temperature before you cap them off. And there you go. They're ready to use. Personally, I am extremely picky with DIY lip balms. A lot of the formulas you'll see is like coconut oil, beeswax, and then like castor oil. Those just don't work for me. I have to have like a high percentage of petrolatum or lanolin. A couple weeks ago, I shared a really simple lanolin lip balm formula, like literally one ingredient. So if you want a simpler version, go over there. That's not vegan, but this formula is vegan. So if you guys want this exact formula, go over to my Patreon and sign up for the $5 tier. Alrighty guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you have any other formula recommendations or products to recreate. I'll talk to you later, lab cats. Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon, where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over and binge watch for only $5 a month. Also, if you don't have access to Patreon in your country, you can sign up as a YouTube member instead. If you sign up for the $10 tier on my Patreon, you get a shout out for your small business. I'll have all these brands linked below. naturesmagicllc.com. From Dusk Soapery on Etsy, LloydCandleCompany.com, HB Royal Retreat Store on Etsy, NaturesFarmGirl.com, Let's Blend LLC, at Stardust Bath and Body, HempyGirl.com, ShopLevi's.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, Skin Lounge Co. over on Etsy, BlackPetalBeauty.com, EmbraceBeautyEssentials.com, LegendaryBathAndBody.com, AstariApothecary.com, Reviga Cosmetics here on YouTube, XoreBB.com, PardoNaturals.com, NaturalStateSkin.com, TheNatureInUs.ca, NearCatalier.com. Use the code on the screen for 20% off. EarthAndAmberNaturals.com, SharkCityNaturals.com, DayToRelaxProducts.shop, CrownedGloryLLC.com, LHScentedSoapsAndMore.com, JanaeRose.com, HealthNutBeauty on Etsy, VelvetTemptations.com, JourneyRoseBeauty.com, CHRBrands.com, Homestead Life Goods on Etsy, CanellaBathandBody.com, MadhouseMamaSoaps.com, XPO.com, Mystical Morning on Etsy, allthingsscent.net, snoota.square.site, 7th House and Oak on Etsy, and mycrownandglory.com. Thank you so much for you guys' support. Without you guys over on Patreon, I wouldn't be able to do what I do, so thank you so much.